Alright, both of you hold it and make a wish and try to break it.
Okay.
Alright.
I wish.
Stay right there.
Alright, and I wish.
Okay, try to break it.
Alright. Okay, let's use 2 hands.
Alright, try to break it.
Break it! How about you try break it? Mommy? I know it's gonna break. Alright, I can't do it! Alright. You're trying to break mine the shortest.
I think he's just trying to break.
Hold on tight with 2 hands.
I love you guys.
Somebody break it.